Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dialoguing English. I'm Sophia, your English teacher. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our daily English conversations. Every day, we help you learn and practice English in a simple, fun way.
Hi, Sophia. Hi, everyone. I'm James, your English student and friend. I'm so happy to be here again.
That's great, James. Today's episode is all about a fun topic at the restaurant, ordering food and drinks. We'll learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and some daily activities, all through a natural conversation.
I'm already hungry. Let's go to the restaurant.
Okay, let's start our English trip. When you go to a restaurant, the first thing you do is say, hello. Let's practice some greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good job, James. And don't forget polite phrases. How are you today? Nice to see you. Welcome.
I'm fine, thank you. Nice to see you too.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. Dear listener, can you repeat after me? Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Good. That's how you start a friendly conversation in English. Now, in a restaurant, you need numbers. For example, table for 2, 1 coffee, 3 sandwiches. Let's count together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Now let's use numbers in real restaurant phrases. A table for 2, please. 2 coffees, please. 1 glass of water. 3 burgers.
A table for 2, please. 2 coffees, please.
Great. Listeners, repeat too. Numbers are very important when you order food. Sometimes you go to a restaurant on a special day, maybe Saturday or Sunday. Let's review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good work. Now let's talk about eating out during the week. James, when do you go to restaurants?
I go on Saturday or Sunday, sometimes on Friday night.
Nice. So you go out on the weekend. Dear listener, what about you? Do you eat out on Saturday or Sunday? Practice saying it. I go to a restaurant on Saturday. In a restaurant, there are many objects. Let's learn some of them. Table, chair, plate, cup, glass, fork, knife, spoon, napkin, and menu.
Wow, many words.
Yes, but don't worry. Let's repeat slowly. Table,
Table,
chair,
chair,
plate,
plate,
cup,
cup,
menu.
menu.
Good job, James. Now, let's use them in a short dialogue. Waiter, can I have a menu, please?
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple, right? Always say please and thank you. Now comes the best part, food and drinks.
Yummy. Let's eat.
Okay, let's start with food. Burger, sandwich, salad, soup, pizza, pasta, chicken, fish, rice, fries.
Burger, sandwich, salad, soup, pizza, pasta, chicken, fish, rice, fries.
Perfect. Now drinks. Water, coffee, tea, juice, soda, milk, wine, beer.
Water, coffee, tea, juice, soda, milk, wine, beer.
Great. Let's practice ordering. Waiter, can I have a burger and fries, please?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
That's easy.
Yes. Now, listeners, repeat after me. I'd like a sandwich and juice, please. I'd like coffee, please. When you order, you can say, I'd like, or can I have?
Can I have a pizza, please? I'd like tea, please.
Perfect, James. Now let's connect food with daily activities. James, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. I drink coffee.
Good. And for lunch?
I eat rice, beans, and chicken.
Nice. And dinner?
I eat salad and soup.
Very healthy. Now let's teach our listeners. Dear listener, repeat after me. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I eat dinner at night.
I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I eat dinner at night.
Good. Now we can connect all the vocabulary. Let's imagine we're at a restaurant. You, James, are the customer. I'll be the waitress.
Okay, let's do it.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How are you today?
Good evening. I'm fine, thank you. Table for one, please.
Of course. Follow me, please. Here's your table and your menu.
Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Sure. And what would you like to eat?
I'd like a pizza and some fries, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, your order will be ready soon. Later. Here's your pizza and fries. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How is the food?
It's delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like dessert?
Yes, I'd like some ice cream, please.
Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate, please.
Here you go.
Wow, this is great.
I'm happy you enjoyed your meal.
Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. That was a great restaurant experience. Now, let's review what we learned today. We practiced. Greetings. Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. Numbers. 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. Monday to Sunday. Objects. Table, chair, plate, menu. Food and drinks. Pizza, sandwich, coffee, water, and more. Daily activities. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yes, and we learned how to order food politely. I'd like and can I have?
Exactly. Let's say some final practice sentences for our listeners. Repeat after us. Hello. I'd like a table for 2, please.
I'd like a coffee and a sandwich.
The food is delicious.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect.
I'm hungry again, Sophia.
Let's go get something to eat. And you, dear listener, keep practicing. Listen again, repeat, and speak out loud. Every time you practice, your English gets better.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and listen every day for new episodes.
That's right. Thanks for joining us today at Dialoguing English Podcast. See you next time and enjoy your English learning journey.
Bye-bye, everyone.